In this video, we're going to explore electromagnetic induction. So what I've got here is a multimeter set on volts. I've got a solenoid, and the multimeter is linked via wires to the solenoid. As well as this, I've also got some bar magnets of equal strength. They have a north pole and a south pole. Obviously the south pole and north pole link together, they attract, and the north pole repel. Okay, so let's look at Faraday's law. Now, Faraday's law basically works on the principle that if you change the flux over time, you'll generate an EMF or a voltage. So watch the dial. As I insert the magnet, the voltage is generated. In, notice it's 0 when it doesn't move because there's no change in flux. Pull it out and change flux, I will generate a voltage. So what happens if I change the speed? Well, changing the speed increases the time in which the flux changes. So if I do it slowly, I'm getting round about 10 volts here. Nice and slowly, round about that 10, going positive in and negative out. Now do it quickly. And from 10 we've gone to 16 and 15 coming back out, 16 in and 15 roughly out. What happens if I change the poles? Well, changing the poles should change the direction of the magnetic field. So watch where the symbol up on the scale. As it goes in, it's negative. Pull it out and it's going to be positive. Remember, when the flux is stationary, then the result is there's no change in flux, so there's no EMF that's produced. So negative in and positive out. So let's do it a bit faster now and see if we can increase it. And we get up to 27 there. Okay, so the final one we're going to do is we're going to change the magnetic field strength. Now I'm going to do this by adding two magnets together so their north and north are directly in line. This means there's going to be an increased number of field lines. So as I put an increased number of field lines, you can see that already, even at the same speed, we're getting, instead of 10 volts, we're getting 20 volts. This means there's a greater change in flux over time, which means a greater EMF is generated. Okay, well, I hope that's explained to you the idea of Faraday's law and links with the other videos. So thanks for watching.